CVS Health and WPRI have joined forces for Community Heroes, a grant program that will provide $55,000 in grants to Rhode Island nonprofits that focus on healthcare, children, social services, and military support. For the past few weeks, you have been nominating your favorite nonprofits, and out of dozens of applications, today we're announcing the 10 nonprofits that will each receive $5,000 grants. So, without further ado, congratulations to the following: Mobile Loaves and Fishes Incorporated, South Providence Neighborhood Ministries, the Rhode Network, Operation Stand Down of Rhode Island's Foster Forward, Southside Community Land Trust, Alzheimer's Association Rhode Island Chapter, St. Elizabeth Home East Greenwich, Rhode Island Coalition Against Domestic Violence, and the Rhode Island Senior Olympics. And joining us this morning to represent two of those organizations are Eric from Operation Stand Down and Lisa from Foster Forward. Good morning and congratulations.
Well, thank you very much.
Very happy to have you on. Eric, let's start with you. Give our viewers a bit more information about Operation Stand Down.
Sure. Well, first, we're very excited to be the winners of the CVS Health Communities Award. And Operation Stand Down has, for the last 22 years, been helping veterans come back, transition back into society in Rhode Island by providing housing, employment and training, as well as helping them access mental health as well as physical health treatment.
They go through a lot, and it's hard to really comprehend exactly what they're going through. So I'm sure that transition of coming home and finding some normalcy can be hard to do, which is clearly where you come in.
Well, there's over 74,000 veterans in Rhode Island, and we had one of the most highest redeployed forces of our National Guard in the entire United States per capita. So these folks have gone over and fought our wars 2, 3, 4 times at a clip, and they do have a very hard time coming back, getting their families reoriented as they return.
Right.
It's not the same veteran that comes back that goes over, certainly. And employment and training is another issue. But, you know, our veterans face a lot of challenges, and many of them have to do with their mental health as well as physical challenges that they bear.
Nice. And for you, Lisa, tell us about your organization that's benefiting.
So Foster Forward provides support for children and youth in foster care, foster families that are caring for those children, and young adults who've aged out of the foster care system. Recently, through some of the survey work that we were doing with the older youth who've aged out, we have about 100 young people that age out of foster care every year in Rhode Island. Wow. We always need more foster families and mentors for them. But with that population, we found that their rate of smoking was actually 3 times the national average for young adults their same age, and 4 times the national average for daily smoking. And that's why we're so grateful to CVS for providing the support for us so that we can really target and focus on that issue with the population we serve.
So that $5,000 is going to go a long way with both organizations and for the others too that won. So congratulations to both of you once again, and to all 10 winners. But we're not done yet, because in addition to this $5,000 grant, we will be awarding one bonus $5,000 grant to the nonprofit who receives the most votes via social media. You guys got to get on this. Make sure everyone knows. Now through June 10th, ask your networks to vote for your organization via Twitter. They will need to tweet at CVS in Action with the name of your organization using the hashtag Community Heroes. It's all up there. The selected organization will be announced live on The Rhode Show on June 15th on WPRI.